So make sure you are clicking on the current year tax return option with the home icon at the top left of the screen. Then hit the personal info button just below it. On personal info summary, you want to scroll down a bit until you see this Canadian citizenship option. Then hit the edit button beside it. And you may answer some questions regarding your Canadian citizenship. And there you go. Just keep in mind to also check your province of residence if you ever move from or to another province in Canadian territory in the current tax year. Also, check again on the Canadian residency where you may edit whether you move to or away from Canada in the current tax year. And to change any of them, you might click on the edit button besides every section. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.